What's going on, traders? John with Tactical Trading here with OTC Saturday for the second week of August 2020. What I'm going to be doing this week is going over 3 stocks that I'll be highlighting for OTC Saturday for you guys to put on your watch list and check out for next week. And then also I'll be going over 7 stocks that have to do with the election infection that I want you guys to take a look at and continue to keep on your watch list in order to see if any volume comes in and play these stocks accordingly. Keep in mind, again, I am not a financial advisor. I'm just here giving you my opinions. I'm going over my homework, my studies of what I'm looking at, and just giving you guys some ideas to throw on your watch list. I'd like every one of you to do your own due diligence to see if these stocks are a fit for your portfolio and your trading style. Also, keep in mind, I am a trader. I am not an investor. I don't buy stocks to buy and hold. I buy stocks to trade. There are some stocks I'm in for 3, 5, 10 minutes. There's some stocks I'm in for 3, 5, 6 hours, and there's some stocks that I hold for a day or two. Other than that, I don't do very much buying and holding at all. The main thing is, like I also mentioned in my video, we're going to talk about a stock that I highlighted earlier in the week, which is Otc International, and I will be talking about that stock a little bit later in this video, at the end of this video. Otc International, I've probably traded 3 or 4 times this week. I told you guys there will be pullbacks in this stock. Now, that doesn't change my thesis on this stock that I believe this stock is going to skyrocket. I still think this stock has plenty of room left and plenty more room to run. I still think 40-50 cents is not unattainable for this stock, but as always, no stock goes straight up. Every stock has pullbacks, and I am not one that's just going to sit idly by in a pullback and let my profits get erased. Pullbacks are a perfect opportunity, especially if you have a very strong thesis on a stock, to sell that stock at high points, buy back on dips. I know your cost basis is different, but I don't worry about cost basis. I worry about profit. So with that being said and that out of the way, let's get into the video. Before I do, again, one more thing. There's another thing that I'm making an announcement on. I'm going to be doing a $1,000 challenge. I will highlight that in a video probably later today or tomorrow. What this is going to be is a challenge where I put $1,000 into a TD Ameritrade account, trade by very strict rules. I will be highlighting what rules I'll be trading by. This is not something to follow. As far as when I buy something, you buy it, because every buy or sell will be after the fact. After I buy the stock, I will be letting you know. After I sell the stock, I will be letting you know. So you will already be behind me. I'm letting you know that, and I will let you know when I put that out there. But my goal is to turn $1,000 into $5,000 in 6 weeks. Let's hope we can do it. But this will just be proof that trading is if rules are used and implemented and used the right way, you can make great profits in the trading game, and especially even if you have small accounts. So again, with that being said, let's get into the video. Again, I'm highlighting 3 stocks. The first stock that I'm highlighting in OTC Saturday will be Clickstream Corporation. The ticker symbol is CLIS. This stock closed the day at 11.8 cents, so 0.118. This was up shade over 4 cents, 55% and change on Friday. This traded 9.55 million shares and has a relatively mediocre float for OTC stock with 82 million shares. Clickstream Corporation. Their operations are focused on the development and implementation of WinQuick, a free-to-play synchronized mobile app and digital gaming platform. The platform is designed to enable WinQuick users to have fun, interact, compete with other players against each other to win real money and real prizes. Now, they're currently in post-production with shows featuring Joshua Dobbs, Jordan Andino, Brian Baldinger, Howie Schwab, Amber Theo Harris, and Mikkel Hawk. The subject matter includes sports, survival, food, culinary, the Bible, outer space, and games are set up dynamically with multiple non-live game shows throughout the day and a once-a-day live game show. As a free, they call it a freemium platform, Clickstream is in the process of monetizing the platform with corporate sponsors and advertisers. And now that those are the two catalysts that I like with this stock. Are right now they're in the process of monetizing this with advertisers and corporate sponsors, and the fact that the election infection is going around and it doesn't seem like it's slowing down at all. So any stay-at-home type deal, any stay-at-home play, stay-at-home schooling, gambling, anything like that is something that's going to be getting a boost over the duration of this election infection. Now, the second stock that I'll be talking about is Otc Surgical Corp, OZSC. Otc Surgical Corp actually traded, closed the day. This is a sub penny stock, so this is very risky stock. This is a sub penny stock that closed at 0.00765. So it's 7/10 of a penny. This stock was up 0.00195, which is 34% on the day Friday. Traded 198 million shares and has a 1.49 billion shares available. So it does have a high float. Now this stock, what they do and what this company does, they invent, design, develop, manufacture, and distribute innovative endoscopic instruments, surgical implants, instrumentation devices, and related technologies focused on spine, neurological, and pain management procedures. And specialties focus in on economically disrupting the market with clinically equivalent or superior existing and new products, resulting in immediate and significant savings for providers, payers, and customers. They have contracts with the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, and they also have contracts with renewable energy developing firms. The catalyst for this stock is they have two contracts pending. They have two bids out, one with the U.S. Navy and another with a couple global defense contractors. So that is my catalyst with this stock. I'd keep my eye on this stock, wait to see. Now, I think that it rose on the anticipation that possibly some of these contracts may be being signed. So that's what I'd be looking for. You see anything with a contract being signed with the U.S. Navy or any global defense contractors, move in and buy this stock, because this stock has I think it has the potential to double or triple. So, and again, I'm not saying buy these stocks right now. Do your homework, do your due diligence. I am not a financial advisor. This stock is very risky. What I am telling you is just to keep an eye on it, put it on your watch list. Now, the third stock I will be talking about is Sonasoft Corporation, SSFT. Now, Sonasoft closed the day at 0.13875, so almost 14 cents. It was up 0.03245, which is a shade over 3 cents, and that's at 30% up on the day on Friday. It traded 2.15 million shares with a 280 million share float. This stock was founded in Silicon Valley in 2003. They deliver value-added artificial intelligence, or AI-driven solutions targeting larger enterprises for data engineering, big data analytics, and AI consulting, all underpinned by NewGene, the world's first autonomous cognitive AI platform. They have contracts with Google, which that's a huge contract, and the thing with this contract with Google is it came out, I believe it was on their 8K or 10K maybe about a month and a half ago, but they never put a press release on it. Any press that comes out with this, I'm not sure if they have contracts where they're not supposed to disclose this, but they do have contracts with Google, and this is something that has me very excited. A small company like this that gets a contract with a company as large as Google, this company, it's always a good thing for a company like this. They also have a contract with Delaware Electric and other large East Coast utility companies. What I like about this company is they just reported their earnings, and their year-over-year full-year revenue was 1,260% higher than last year, and their first quarter year-over-year revenue was up 47% from last year. So this is a growing company. I'd be looking for any new contracts or anything of this nature with this company could skyrocket this company. Their earnings are very good. They're growing at a significant and a very, very great rate of what they're growing at. And any word or anything with Google in it in any press release will send this stock soaring. When they put out there, I believe it was an 8K. When they put that out, this stock went up from about 12 cents to 30 cents within an hour and a half. So this wasn't even a press release. They just released their 8K. People read into the 8K, and the stock took off. So those are the three stocks that I highlight on Otc Saturday. The first stock, again, CLIS. This is Clickstream Corporation. The next stock is Otc Surgical Corporation, OZSC. Oscar Zebra Sam C. whatever word, cucumber. And then the third stock is Sonasoft Corporation, SSFT. Now, I'm going to be talking about 7 stocks that have to do with the election infection that I want you to keep on your watch list. Most of these stocks I've already talked about and already mentioned in prior videos, but I do want you to keep these on your watch list. Obviously, the first one is Otc International, OPTI. This stock closed the week at 0.134, so just a shade under 13.5 cents. Traded at a high of 19 cents. I know I called this stock out on last Tuesday at 0.027 cents, so a shade under 3 cents. Called it out again at a shade under 7 cents. This stock almost went up to 19 cents. It did have a significant pullback, but I don't think this stock is done. I still think there's a lot of room left, and this stock is a PR machine. They like to put out press release after press release, so I think any type of good press will push this stock forward. I think there's PR possibly coming up with contracts with or dealings with the country of Mexico, countries in South America, school districts, municipalities, all types of things. So this is a very exciting stock. I think this has 40, 50 cents written all over it in the very near future and possibly even further. The second stock is a stock I also mentioned last week. This is Revive Therapeutics. This stock closed, and that's RVVTF. This stock closed at 0.285, so 28.5 cents. Keep an eye out because butylamine is the drug that they're going into phase 3 trials. This is a drug that skipped phase 2 trials because it's a drug that's already been around and been tested for its safety. So they're in phase 3 trials. Any news of when the phase 3 trials will be done or any news on these phase 3 trials should send this stock up, and I do think at 28.5 cents this stock is severely undervalued. Third stock is Kronos Advanced Technologies, KNOS. This stock closed at 0.258, so a shade under 26 cents. This company deals in air purifiers, masks, and the main thing, obviously, in my opinion, is the Walmart distribution agreement on Walmart Online. And this company, again, Kevin Harrington is involved with Optec and also with Kronos, and I'd be looking for news on infomercials with both of those companies coming out, and that would be a significant boost in their stock price. Another company is Vistar Corporation, VYST. This stock closed a shade under or a shade over 8 cents on Friday. What we deal with this company is the RX3000 light air purifiers and some PPRs, some gloves, masks, and things of that nature. They're in a similar range with Optec, of why I'm excited about them, but this company has a significantly higher float. But I do like Vistar, VYST. Another company is Innovation Pharmaceuticals, IPIX. This stock closed at 25 cents on Friday. They're actually dealing with in vitro testing of briaclidin. That's a drug that they're working that actually kills COVID and inflammation in the lining of the lungs. So they're expecting results from their in vitro testing to be out I believe it's early fourth quarter. So keep an eye on these guys. Any news should send this stock going up as well. Another stock, Axim Biotechnologies, AXIM. This stock closed at 82 cents. They're working obviously on a patent pending antibody diagnostic test. So any news on those tests should send this stock up. And the final one is a stock I mentioned last week, TPT Global Tech, which is TPTW. This stock closed at 0.076 cents, so a shade under 8 cents. And what I like about them is their Quick Labs and their SaniQuick. The SaniQuick is the sanitation, and the Quick Labs are little mobile, portable, turnkey Quick Labs, little labs that people can purchase, groups can purchase. It could be churches, could be municipalities, could be just companies that are looking to do drive-in or drive-up election infection testing. So they also had they were highlighted on CBS San Diego News just last week, or in fact just the following week that just passed up. I believe it was on Thursday they were. And then also I'm looking for more contracts and any news on these Quick Labs, and this stock can go up. So again, the 7 stocks with the election infection that I put on my watch list and keep an eye on are OPTI, Optec International, RVVTF, Revive Therapeutics, KNOS, Kronos Advanced Technologies, VYST, Vistar Corporation, Innovation Pharmaceuticals, IPIX, Axim Biotechnologies, AXIM, and TPT Global Tech, TPTW. That's all I got for you today. Again, keep an eye out for some more videos today. What I'm going to be doing is actually putting out the information on the challenge that I'll be doing on Think or Swim TD Ameritrade, the $1,000 challenge, and giving you my rules, why I'm doing this, the rules involved in this, and this is just going to be basically an example of if you follow rules in this game and you put rules in place and you have a trading plan, you can be successful. And the goal is obviously to turn 1,000 into 5,000 in 6 weeks. So you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching. As always, like, share, subscribe. Again, I see a lot of numbers of watching the videos but not subscribing. So please, it helps me out a lot. Subscribe to the channel and give a like to the video. Any questions or comments, please put them in the comment section below. I really appreciate you guys watching. Be blessed. Take a look out for the rest of the videos today. You guys have a great one now.